Hi guys, it's Micah. I'm back with the AAA cards challenges. It's number 232, white on white. And here's the card that I made. The theme white on white was chosen by Sue, and her card is fabulous. You see a division. I didn't, but I kinda went with her example, I guess. And I tried a few other things. I will show them to you at the end of the video. To my opinion, they were not clean and simple enough. And so I went with snow. If you do a smaller font, you can do longer words, of course. Or if you do slimline, I thought maybe winter would have been nice as well, but snow fits fine. I'm trying to make it straight with my ruler and grid, and then stick it down with tape so the letters don't move. And then die cut it from a panel. Then I cut it slightly smaller, so I think that would give it a little bit of more elegant look and feel to my card. It also cuts into the empty space. Now, just the word snow seems a bit weird, but after I made it for the design team, a card challenges is clean and simple, but I will add a little banner with "Let It Snow." Because otherwise it doesn't make any sense. But if you have better ideas, then please come and join us. The link to the blog is down below, and you can enter any white on white card that is clean and simple. And then if you feel like you need to add a little stamp afterwards, yeah, do that. I will do that, because just snow. Winter maybe doesn't need any stamping, but yeah. I thought I'll just add some snow as well. And I remember this folder was still stuck from the other video I made with the partial die cutting. And this is the panel I made with it. And it just so happens to fit. Oh, that was lucky. But I pulled it out in case I needed to emboss another panel. And yes, this other one is Kattenbak, but I think they're flowers. But well, they could be snowflakes too. I don't have many embossing folders, but of course you can leave it plain as well. I thought it was too hard to see. I asked Sue if she would allow different colors of white, say a little bit of off-white, just to differentiate the layers. But I thought if you raise it with foam tape, you will get a shadow, and then it will stand out more. And she doesn't allow stamping, because that defeats the purpose of white on white. Or black sentiment. If you do a white sentiment, yeah. I don't think you can see it, but there you go. If you need to add something else after you made it for the AA card challenges, yeah, go ahead. Little gems or whatnot. I even thought about making it into a shaker, but then I thought, man, it's gonna be a glare, and it needs to be white confetti, doesn't it, or glitter. So I just went to the embossing folder, and I erased it on foam tape. And then I need to add a bit of tape runner. It didn't work along. Oh, don't know why. It went on a slant. Yeah, well. And then I stick it to the card base, which is just the whole card. White glitter paper instead of embossed might have been nice as well. I don't have really white. Yeah, too late now. I might make another. And the other ideas I had were making it into a Hello Baby with 2 die cuts. But I thought I didn't leave enough white space. And also a die cuts I have with partial die cutting butterflies. They will give some dimension, of course, but also some playfulness. But I would have had to make a really big card to leave enough white space, because white space is not white, it's empty. So no embossing, no pattern paper, no embellishments. Well, a few layers is fine, but just keep it minimal. And as I said, agoraphobia galore, this challenge. And I had problems with it, I'm not going to lie, but I like a challenge, so I persevered, and yeah, the butterflies was nice. But I went with snow because it's, January. Thank you for watching. Hope you will play along. You have 2 weeks as usual, and I look forward to what you make. Thank you for watching. Bye!